Hello and welcome to another unboxing vlog by MultiJames95. It's a pleasure for me to welcome you again in our video. But before we move on to the unboxing part and the review part, please don't forget to click the like button on this video and click the subscribe button and the notification button. So, shall we begin? Great, let's start then. This is something that I haven't seen before, but let's see what's inside. What's this? This is a Schuco or Schuco Air France A380 1/500 or 1/600 scale model, and the airline is Air France. And it looks like that the box has been old and it's already showing signs of deterioration on the display, but let's open it first. We keep this one, our airplane, and of course the Schuco models come with a stand. We'll assemble that in a bit. And let's not throw this box away because it's part of the memento. And what does it have here? It shows here that it is not suitable for children under the age of 14 years because it has small parts. And it's a German product made in China. There we have our Captain Stripes airplane drawing, and that's all we have for it. So let's go on with the assembly of this aircraft. Stand goes like that, and the plane has the hole, and there it is, our Air France A380 Schuco. Let me give you a tour of the front part. In the front part there, you can see we have our SkyTeam logo near the cockpit windows. Let me point that out to you with my pointer. Here, I found one. It's our SkyTeam logo. See it clearly, and we have our Air France name and branding of blue, white, and the red strip. The windows on this scale model are entirely accurate, as well as the doors. Looking at the engine right over here, let me pull that out for you. The engines here show the current Air France logo, which is very good in detail. Going right over here on the rear portion, or the back part, you can see the plane's registration, which is over here, FHPJE. F is the prefix for aircraft that are registered in France, which is a very beautiful country and a great country, I believe. And here we have our Air France vertical stabilizer and its logo on it. We have here the red, white, and blue, which are the colors of France's national flag. And on the blue strip, we have here our European Union or EU logo, which is a very good touch because, of course, France is a member of the European Union, and any member of the European Union should also have the stars or the color of the flag as well as their flag painted on their aircraft. Going to the port side area, it's almost just the same. We have still our European Union stars over here. They are France colors. We have our registration below down here, and our logo, our branding. When I bought this one, by the way, I have here our some faint things, or there's a faint erasure of the cockpit window over here, which is still fine for me because I value this aircraft a lot. And we'll look at the under part of the plane. You can see right over here it is A380 and some signs here which I don't know. And the landing gears are not functional, but they really look real. That's our hole for the stand. Now to take a good look at the stand, you can see right here there's our brand name of Schuco or Schuco. And it's made out of plastic, which is very firm. And now we put this Air France plane on the stand. And that makes it our official addition to our new collection. Now, what makes me like this aircraft and what really makes me like to add it to my collection? This is because Air France is one of the many well-known and recognizable airlines, which I believe are great airlines, of course. And they are one of the A380 operators, and honestly I haven't flown on an A380 at all, but I've seen them actually in real life. And I was thinking also, what if I converted an A380 or a retired A380 into my own personal house with the vertical stabilizer, the whole fuselage, the wings, the engines, and the landing gears? Would it make a great house? But of course, one thing is for sure why I bought this one. Air France is retiring their A380s due to this pandemic and the fall of the economy in the aviation sector. And I was supposed to order a 1/400 scale model from NG Models, but they've canceled production of that aircraft. So I thought, why don't I just buy a different model? So I just got lucky that I found an Air France 1600 model, which was a very good low price one. It's not Shantu or anything, but it is actually a German made model, and I like to credit the person who sold this to me for about a good 650 pesos. Value aviation even more. Now that concludes our vlog, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to all who subscribed and liked this video, and for you who haven't subscribed or liked this video, please do now. Click the like button and click the subscribe button and the notification button to see more unboxing videos and more updates from MultiJames95. And I have opened both a Patreon and a PayPal account if you want to support me or donate to me. The links of those two accounts are in the description, and I'd like to see you again in our next vlog. Thank you and have a nice day. From MultiJames95.